Smartphones. It seems like we have a new one coming out every other day, but not all of them are that exciting, right? And the ones that are, well, some of them haven't made their way over to India yet. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and here are 5 phones that we simply can't wait for. I know you guys can't wait either, so let's keep the intro short. Card to give away, link in description, and you can also find the bell icon there. Click on it to become part of a notification squad. So let's start with the Vivo Nex. The Vivo Nex has been a phone that's been on our radar ever since the concept phone was demoed way back at MWC this year. In fact, the Vivo Apex even found a mention on our best full screen smartphone video where we were particularly impressed with the engineering that went into this concept device. Well, Vivo has turned the concept into reality with their Vivo Nex flagship device that sports a full screen display to the front. And yeah, I mean a true full screen display, no notches, no wide chin, just 6.59 inches of pure AMOLED goodness. And that's not all though, we also have an under the display fingerprint sensor in here, which is pretty awesome too. Of course, the novelties don't stop there. The front camera pops out, and seeing the 8 megapixel selfie snapper slide in and out is almost mesmerizing. This helps keep the all-screen front. There's no earpiece either, with Vivo opting for screen soundcasting technology. Now this is something else that we are quite interested in checking out. And it's not just the looks. Internally, this phone is a true flagship sporting the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845 chip, along with 8 gigs of RAM and a massive 128 or 256 gigs of onboard storage. With rumors of this one launching in India soon, we can't wait to get our hands on it. So I'm just hoping Vivo keeps the pricing around 50,000. Number 2, the Mi A2. From 50k, let's move on to 15,000. The A2 is something we've been hearing rumors about. This is supposed to be the second generation Android One device from Xiaomi. We've been hearing about it for months now. Nothing yet is confirmed, but if our sources are to be believed, it's supposed to be launching on the 24th of this month. The Mi 6X is supposed to be the hardware base that the A2 is going to be built on, with a Snapdragon 660 powering the Mi 6X along with a set of really impressive dual cameras to the back. The 6X, if it launches as the A2, would take the entire Indian market by storm, especially if it releases around the 15k price point. Of course, stock Android adds to the desirability of the phone overall, and I can't wait for the Mi 6X to be launched internationally, or at least in India, as the Mi A2. While we are on the topic of Xiaomi, that's not the only Xiaomi phone that we are waiting for. I'm pretty sure you guys saw this one coming, the Mi 8 series. Yeah, I'm counting it as one phone for the list. For the last 2 generations, Xiaomi has kind of skipped out on bringing their flagship Mi series to India. The Mi 5 was the last one that came out, right? So the Mi 6 didn't, now it's the Mi 8. But rumors seem to indicate that we might see the Mi 8 or one of its siblings make its way over here from China. Now, we have already unboxed the Mi 8 here on C4E Tech. It's an excellent flagship phone with top-of-the-line internals as well as excellent cameras. And it's not alone, we have the higher-end Mi 8 Explorer Edition. This is the one with the in-display scanner, face recognition, and as in the hardware-based face recognition and the cool transparent back. And it's not just that either. Xiaomi also has a Mi 8 SE, a more affordable offering that we've actually even reviewed. Here's a card to that video, so hoping Xiaomi brings all 3 or at least one of them to India soon. And then the Zenfone. Well, talking about affordable, the 20 to 25k price bracket has been pretty empty for a while now. Not many phones are being released in that segment, at least phones that are worth getting really excited about. Now the Mi 8 SE was one, the Zenfone 5 is another that could change all that. Sporting the same optics as the flagship 5Z, as well as the same premium build and design, this seems to be one hell of a mid-ranger. With a very capable 636 inside, it should be great to see this one in India too. By the way, our review of the Zenfone 5 should be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Here's a card to the unboxing. And finally, we have the Nokia X6. Now this device has been originally released as a China-only phone, and it captured the hearts of many. The glass back, the metal frame, it all looks gorgeous. Its smaller size makes it easily usable in one hand, and that 5.8-inch display up front even sports a notch up top. But what's most attractive about this device is its price point. In a budget-conscious Indian market, the Snapdragon 636 Touring X6 will make a huge splash if HMD Global manages to price it right, similar to what they did in China. If it comes around the 14,000 rupee mark, it would be an excellent deal. And that brings us to the end of this list and well, this video as well. Which one of these devices are you waiting the most eagerly for? Is it the flagship Vivo Nex or the budget Nokia X6 or something more in between? Let us know in the comments below. Also share this video with your smartphone loving friends and family. Let them know what new phones are headed their way. And if you hated it for some reason, well, you know what to do. But if you did like it, if you want to see something different from reviews, camera comparisons, speed tests and all that, something like this, then give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and click on the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video like this. And also let us know in the comments what other kind of different videos do you want to see. This is something one of you guys actually suggested in the comments, and that's why we're doing it. So, we are reading all your comments. We are taking inspiration from that. So let us know in the comments on what kind of videos you want to watch. And now it's time I bid you adieu. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.